To remove the wireless LAN antennas, first remove the touch mat, the right rear cover, the left rear cover, the column assembly, the bottom rear cover, and the motherboard EMI shield. Carefully snap off the antennas from the wireless LAN board. Remove the antennas from the cable guides running from the motherboard to the main antenna location. Pry up on the bottom of the main antenna and carefully peel off the grounding tape to remove the antenna from the unit. Remove the auxiliary antenna connector from its remaining cable guides along the top of the unit. Pry up the second antenna and peel off its grounding tape to remove the second antenna. There are stencils on the middle frame to indicate the location and placement of the wireless antennas. To replace the wireless antennas, press the auxiliary antenna into its place on the top left side. Press down on its grounding tape. Secure the auxiliary antenna in its cable guides along the top of the unit. Press the main antenna with its grounding tape into its stenciled location. Secure the antennas into the cable guides running from the top of the unit to the wireless LAN board on the motherboard. Reattach the wireless antennas to the wireless LAN board. White and black triangle labels on the antennas will match white and black triangles on the board to indicate which antenna should be connected to which port.